fell from the sky, splitting into 5 elements. They disappeared and were feared lost. In their absence, an evil erupted and seized the land. But after 12 years, the elements re-emerged. Raindrop, water. Xiaoyan, wood. Jinho, metal. Niwa, earth. And Flamo, fire. They must join forces in battle against evil if peace and harmony is to be restored. Master Raindrop.
This has to be the longest argument the Lord and Lady of Weather ever had! Ah!
And the most dangerous. Mekla's gone berserk. This rain is a menace.
What are you complaining about? I gave you my favorite umbrella.
It's not all Mekla. What about Ramasura? He's the Lord of Thunder.
Ah! There's a lot more rain than thunder. She's going completely over the top.
She probably has a very good reason.
Hey guys, we don't have time to argue if we want to stay ahead of Flamo and Grub.
At least the weather's holding them up, too.
I want to go home. I'm catching a cold.
If we go back without the elements, Boo will give us something much worse.
My tummy hurts now, too.
Stop your belly aching. The elements are right over there. Let's go.
They're gaining.
We should stay and fight. They don't scare me.
He's right. Let's hit him with everything we've...
Jinho! Are you all right?
Say something.
Oh, he's alive.
I'm alive. So why can't I move?
The lightning must have frozen you somehow.
Well, let's take cover before it happens to us, too.
Did you see what the lightning did to Jinho? We need to find shelter and fast.
Hey, my kitty umbrella. Ow, hey, my head.
Sorry! What are we gonna do about him?
Since Ramasura and Mekla froze Jinho, they should be able to unfreeze him, right?
Makes sense, but how do we get up there?
Remember how the umbrella flew right up to the clouds? We need something like that.
Hey, that's got a lot of personal, private, top secret stuff in there.
Perfect. Niwa, you look after Jinho. Xiaoyan, you come with me.
We'll be back before you can say dragon title.
Good luck.
You totally got the good gig. Oh, but do you mind giving my back a bit of a scratching? My feet feel a little stiff.
Ready?
Let's do it!
Not getting any drier.
Stop complaining. I've let you take the top bunk.
Thanks for thinking of me.
We better call Boo.
We lost the elements.
If we don't call, he'll know something's up.
Where have you been? And why did Ep12 return without you?
We have the...
Elements? Excellent.
We have them in our sights. But something awesome happened. Jinho got hit by lightning and it froze him.
Froze? As in, can't move?
Like a statue. Saw it with my very own eyes.
This is excellent news. Don't let the elements out of your sight. I'm on my way.
Phew! We're in the eye of the storm.
It's so much calmer.
Did you have to say that out loud?
I got it!
No! I've got you!
But what's got you? Now this is more like it. I've got nothing against rain, for obvious reasons. But enough is enough. So where to?
I'd say over there might be a good start.
Mekla.
And Ramasura.
For Jinho?
For Jinho.
You're being completely unreasonable.
I'm being unreasonable?
Maybe we should let them work it out and come back later?
Well, how can it be my fault if I don't even know what we're fighting about?
That's why we're fighting, because you can't remember anything.
That's ridiculous.
Now you're calling me ridiculous?
Huh?
Who are you?
We saw the lights on. Thought we'd drop in for a nice hot cup of tea.
Thought you'd invite some guests over for dinner the last moment, did you? Well, I ain't cooking for them.
Huh? That's it. I'm sick of this. If you're not gonna tell me why you're so angry, I'm leaving.
Then you can take this with you.
This is my wedding present to you.
I don't want any part of you anymore.
Fine. Goodbye forever. And good riddance.
Well, at least they stopped fighting.
That was the worst flight I've had since you ate that bad dim sum, but it was worth it. The Cloud Palace, home to Mekla and Ramasura. What's this? Ramasura leaving? With the Thunder Axe and the Lightning Ball? When I get my hands on them, I'll freeze the elements and capture them all!
I wish I'd never met her. That was the first mistake I made, saying hi. By kingdom, my power, I command the clouds.
What are you doing, you anomalous amphibian?
He's gone. That vase you destroyed really tipped him over the edge.
I destroyed? That was hardly my fault. And what was all that nice hot cup of tea stuff?
I had to come up with something. Besides, I thought it had an adult appeal.
So who do we get to unfreeze Jinho now? Ramasura has the lightning ball, but Mekla is the Lady of Lightning.
I'll get after Ramasura. You stay and talk to Mekla. That way we're covered.
Good idea, except I think your cup of tea approach will work better on Mekla. I'll go after Ramasura.
Sure. No problemo. I can talk to Mekla. I'm happy to talk to Mekla. Be down in no time. Good one, Raindrop.
Ow! Not the best way to fly. No sign of Ramasura. Maybe the others have seen him.
So that's where they're hiding.
Can we hide too? I'm tired of being rained on.
Flamo? Grub? Where are you? This is no time for lying around. I know where the Lightning Ball and Thunder Axe are. Now this is what we need to do.
Hello?
He don't love me anymore.
Mekla. Hi. I'm Raindrop.
You caused enough trouble already.
Me? I thought you were mad at Ramasura.
You're right there. He only cares about what's important to him, and I'm not gonna put up with it anymore.
Yeah, maybe you're better off without him.
Exactly. I'm perfectly fine up here all alone. But I don't want to be alone.
Oh, no. And you won't be, because I'm sure he'll be back. I bet it was just a silly argument about nothing.
Forget my birthday again ain't nothing.
He forgot your birthday?
It's the second year in a row.
Wow, that's harsh.
There was a time when he never forgot. Every birthday I'd wake up to hear him singing the song he sang when we first met. Rain or shine,
know you were mine. I'm not very rash. I fell in your arms with a crash. It was the sweetest song I ever heard.
What? So you obviously had some good times together. You've got to remember that.
You're right.
Glad we got that sorted, because I need your help.
What's the problem?
Well, one of my friends was frozen by your lightning, and we need your help to unfreeze him.
That's easy. He'll be unfrozen when the sun comes out. And that won't happen until Ramasura and I get back together.
Oh, boy.
What is Raindrop doing up there with Mekla? It's raining harder than ever.
This is a disaster. That was my favorite umbrella.
Quiet, Jinho. Nearby, odd vibrations like small thunder on the ground. Ramasura must be near.
We have to talk to him and see if he can help fix Jinho before Raindrop cheers up Mekla anymore.
I'm free. That's the upside. I can do whatever I want, whenever I want, with whomever I like, for as long as I want. I'm Lord of the Thunder. I can do anything I want. The question is, what do I want?
Don't scratch me. Look out, look out. Don't drop me.
If I had a free hand, I'd cover his mouth. At least it stopped raining.
Wait, Ramasura's very close. There!
Let's go.
Aha!
Hi-ya!
Oh, just leave me down here so I can rest in peace.
Going somewhere?
Sorry, we can't stop and talk.
That wasn't what we had in mind.
Okay.
How can this happen? The one thing I want is the one thing I can't have.
Step right up, cold cash for your unwanted meteorological trash. Old thunder axes, second-hand lightning bolts wanted. Good money offered. You, sir? Let me take that junk off your hands. I mean, that lightning ball would so last millennium.
This?
No questions asked. I'll give you a good price.
No! No. This belongs to someone very special. We had a fight and it's complicated.
You've come to the right place. Problems at home? Let the love doctor help you.
We're usually really good together, but I think I better just go home and sort things out.
Oh, go home with your tail between your legs. Let's not be hasty. I know a great little tea house where you can relax, take time, find yourself, reconnect with you, weigh your options, be a man.
Huh? Maybe you're right. I do need to unwind. I'm lucky I ran into you.
Luck has got nothing to do with it.
Ready to go, Mekla?
But what if Ramasura don't love me no more?
We had an agreement. You said you'd help me find him and make the sun shine again.
What if he don't want to come back home? What if he's met someone else?
Exactly. At least it is your birthday he's forgotten. Imagine if he was out there forgetting someone else's birthday.
That'd be awful. We gotta go find him and quickly.
Nothing relaxes you like a nice hot cup of jasmine tea.
That is refreshing.
Let me put these somewhere safe.
They're fine right here.
How about some music? That's it. Let your troubles just melt away. I know what you need. A massage. Compliments of the house.
Huh? Oh!
I think you need to be a little softer, my dear.
What did you say?
Not so hard, you fool.
General, look!
I control thunder and lightning. The elements will never escape me now!
Sorry, I'm still getting used to this thing.
That's okay. Better you drive and I keep an eye out for Ramasura. I can't see him anywhere. But look, the whole place is flooded and it's all my fault.
Please stop crying. You're just making it worse. Besides, we'll find him because you're meant to be together.
Do you really think so?
Yeah, you're like, a chopstick? And another chopstick that, belongs to the first chopstick.
You're right. Ramasura and I are exactly like chopsticks.
You are?
Yeah, on our own we're useless, but together we can do anything.
Right. I bet he's down there somewhere feeling terrible and very lonely.
Oh, my poor Ramasura. We must hurry and find him.
Hold on.
Whoa!
Ramasura's gone.
That way.
Can we pick up the pace? I'm starting to get the worst crick in my neck ever.
In here, quick!
Ramasura, wake up!
I just had the weirdest dream. There was music and this really ugly woman.
As fascinating as that is, could you please just unfreeze me now?
Who are you? Am I still dreaming?
No, you're awake. We're elements on a quest to raise the golden dragon, but our friend Jinho was frozen by Mekla's lightning.
Ah, yes. Mekla. Quite a temper.
Can you unfreeze him?
I'm afraid nothing can unfreeze him but the sun. And that won't come out until I make up with Mekla.
Well, you want to make up with her, don't you?
Yes, I do. Okay, enough of this foolishness. Let's go. I'll just get my ball and axe.
Watch out!
It's freezing time!
I can't feel my toes!
I can.
Let's go! Yeah! He's going to zap us!
What are you doing?
Sorry, Jinho.
Hey, you've done worse.
Missed!
Is everyone okay?
Fine, thanks, Mr. Hippopotamus.
This'll shift it!
How do I stop this thing?
Mekla?
Ramasura?
I am so sorry for everything. I love you.
And I love you.
Hello, sunshine.
I can feel my hands.
Well done. You obviously said all the right things.
Thank you. But don't ever make me do that again.
How heartwarming. But I've got something that'll really warm you all up. At last, you are mine!
That's useless when the sun is shining.
And it's going to be shining for a very long time.
Oh, so you've made up, eh? Well, you know where your loving husband has been for the past hour? In the tea house getting his back rubbed by a strange woman.
What? Is that true?
It's not what it looks like, honey.
Don't you honey me!
No, please don't argue. The sunlight's going.
Boo still has the lightning ball and thunder axe. We are all in danger.
And how did he get his hands on them in the first place? Lost them in a game of mahjong, I bet.
I don't believe this.
Now, where is that silly Boo? Aha!
Get in closer, closer.
That's it. This is the end of our quest. Boo has won.
Hey, we'll think of something, won't we? Anyone?
At times like this, there's only one thing to do. Sing. Rain or shine, you are mine.
Have you gone crazy?
It's Mekla and Ramasura's favorite song. Come on. Rain or shine, you are mine. I'm not very rash, but I fell in your arms with a crash.
You want me to shut him up, General?
How would you do that, Flamo? You're frozen. No, it's a glorious day. Why not sing? Rain or shine, you are mine. Join in. I'm not very rash.
Our song. The one I sing on Mekla's birthday. Her birthday. Oh, no. Mekla. Mekla, I'm so sorry. How could I ever forget your birthday? I'm a fool, an insect, a speck of dust on the bottom of your shoe.
No, I should have just told you why I was upset. We've both been fools.
This is the best day of my life. I've captured the elements once and for all. I'm Lord of Thunder and Lightning. A beautiful once-in-a-lifetime sunny day. Just like a sunny day. Oh, no! Yeah. Useless thing!
Says who?
It's just you and us now.
Huh? Time to cut our losses!
That's Boo taken care of.
You can bet I'll be back with Terrace.
Don't worry about him.
You're back together.
We've never been apart.
Here. We've got to get a move on before Boo returns.
Maybe we can help. It's the least we can do.
Ha! They can't attack me up here. I've got them at my mercy. Ah! Did we hit something?
Going somewhere?
Wherever you'd like us to go?
Oh, no. We've got special plans for you.
Take a look at this.
Ha ha! Miss me!
Who said I was aiming at you?
Grub, that better not be your bottom on my head.
That should hold them up for a couple of days.
Plenty of time for you to get away.
Thank you.
No, thanks to all of you. You reminded us how much we love each other.
I don't think it's going to rain for a while now. Good walking weather. Where to now?
That way.
Is anyone any good at neck massages?